Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the subseries C# threading and thread states. In this video we will talk about the example which we create in the next video. So in the first video we learned about different thread states. So here in this example, if you see, we have a button called start thread. So this will start a thread and start it in the running state. So we mimicked this task as a long running task by running a very big while loop. So it may consume some of your CPU time. Yeah, so for demonstration purpose we took like this. So once you click start thread, it will start the thread, and then you can suspend the thread. Then you can suspend the thread at any time by clicking on this suspend button. Then you can click on the resume button to resume the thread. That means from suspended state it will go back to running state. So the thread will be in a running state. Once you click suspend, it will go on to suspend state, and once you click resume, it will go back to running state. So you can repeatedly click these two. Then using the check button, you can check the state of the thread, and the state will be displayed here in this list box. So here if you see, once you click start thread, we are hiding the button. Why? Because once the thread is started, you cannot start it again, the same thread, but you can span a new thread. So since here we are experimenting a single thread, and we are hiding this button. So here in this list box, if you see, we display the status of the thread. So you can populate this list box by clicking the check button periodically. So the thread will run for some time, let's state 20 or 30 seconds based on the while loop which we constructed. And the while loop will run for a long period of time because of a big loop counter. And here you can click the check button multiple times. Say for example here, wait sleep join. That means when thread is sleeping, we clicked the check button, so it reported wait sleep join. So that's the state at 10:21:20, and after some point in time it moved into running state. That means we clicked this button periodically, and after some time it is in suspended state. That means we clicked the suspend button and then we clicked the check, so it shows suspended state. Likewise, we checked the state of the thread at a different time interval by clicking the check button multiple times. So in the meantime, if you see here in the debug output window, the thread will print the status thread busy periodically. Then once you see ZZ and ready, so here I think we kept some 2 or 3 second wait periodically. So during this time, if you click the check, then you will be getting the wait sleep join. So all the stuff we experimented with this example, and in the next video we will see how we are retrieving the thread state and displaying this. So that's all about the example. So once again, start thread will start the thread. You can click between suspend and resume multiple time to transition the thread state from running to suspended and from suspended to running. And suspended state, if you can read it here, and here is the running state, and the thread itself will sleep based on some condition for some second, then it will automatically wake up and run. And that state also you can see here: wait, sleep, join, and running state. So that's one state. From sleep it will awake and it will run. From suspended state it will resume and it will run. So all those stuff we can experiment in this example. That's all here. Now we will go to the demo and look at the form design. So here is our form. So if you see in our form, we have a list box, and we named this list box as LST state status. So thread state status. Then here we named this as a CMD start, CMD suspend, CMD resume, and CMD check. So that's all. So here we have a simple form, and in the next video we will do our coding, and this template is available for you to download, or if you need, you can design the form as you like. So but these are all the control names: LST state status, CMD start, CMD suspend, CMD resume, and CMD check. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.